How to fix Snapchat's public profile not showing. So let's say your public profile is not showing on Snapchat and you want to fix that. I'm going to simply show you how to get that done in this video. If you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button. It's really going to help. So the first step you need to take here is to go to your Snapchat app. So right here on your Snapchat app like this, you simply need to go ahead and click on the profile icon found at the top left corner of your screen like this. So the next step you need to take is to go ahead and click on your settings icon. But before that, looking right here on the screen, you can see where it says my account. Also, you can see where it says public profile. So let's say you are not seeing the option of public profile right here. In order for you to actually fix that, right here on your screen like this, you simply need to scroll to the bottom and you'd be able to see where it says create a public profile. Now looking right here, it is actually showing create a new countdown. Now that is because I already have a public profile. Now in your case, you might be seeing the option of create a public profile. You need to go ahead and click on that and create a public profile. Now let's say that is not the case and you're not seeing that option right there. So in order for you to fix this problem as well, you need to go ahead and click on the setting icon at the top right corner of your screen like this. So the next step you need to take here is to scroll down gently like this and look for where you can see this option right here where you can see my location. So right here, if you're on ghost mode, you simply need to go ahead and turn that off so that people would be able to find and see your location. That is actually going to help to make your Snapchat account a public one. So right here where you can see public profile settings, you need to go ahead and click on your profile like this. Now right here where you can see show public profile replies, you need to make sure that it is turned on like this. You need to turn on all of this in order to make your Snapchat account a public one. Now let's say this is not the case. There are actually some restrictions that could actually make you not to have a public profile on Snapchat apart from fixing this on your settings. Now let's say you are below 16 years, you won't be able to have a public profile on Snapchat. Now that could be a reason why you don't have a public profile on Snapchat, because you are below 16 years old. Now let's say you violated any of the community guidance on Snapchat as well, you won't be able to have a public profile as well. You need to be of at least 24 years old in order for you to have a public profile on Snapchat. And you must have verified your details on Snapchat in order for you to have a public profile. So this might as well be the reasons why you don't have a public profile on Snapchat. Now let's say you are above 24 years or you are 24 years or you are above 16 years and yet you are not seeing the public profile on Snapchat. You can as well simply go right here on your birthday. So let's say maybe the date of birth was incorrectly put in right here. You can simply go ahead and change it and you'll be able to have a public profile on Snapchat. Snapchat might be mistaking your actual age because you inputted a wrong detail. So this is how simple it is to fix Snapchat public profile not showing. Hope you found this video helpful, because we've come to the very end of this video. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.